So this is how it works. I posted some short videos right now. This is still processing, you see, and I posted one 5 minutes video. The rest are the short videos. Nothing is, not even the single view. You don't go to click on your own views and you don't go to click on a like, so we don't do this. It's not good for the YouTube's algorithm if you do that. It's allowed, technically you can do this, but if you want to have the best results, you just avoid to clicking at the first on your own videos. Let the YouTube decide. There are certain ways how I do description and certain ways how I do titles and keywords here. This will be explained in my future videos step by step. But this is the first step. Everything is zero as you are starting to grow your YouTube channel.